Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix input delay or lag issue in EA Sports FC26. So without wasting any time, here follow the steps. Before we proceed, make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. If not, then restart your router or modem to refresh the connection. Unplug the Ethernet cable from your gaming device, restart your device and then plug in the cable and check. Access internet using Ethernet cable, it is highly recommended. Now follow the steps. Now change these settings in EA Sports FC26. So launch the EA Sports FC26 game, go to the game settings and then go to the display configuration tab and change the resolution to 1920 into 1080 and change the display mode to full screen or borderless full screen. Change the refresh rate to 120 Hz or less. You can select 120 Hz or 60 Hz. Now in frame rate, limit the FPS to 60. If vertical sync is on, then turn it off, and if it is already off, then turn it on. Dynamic resolution scale, and make sure dynamic resolution scale is off. If it is not, then turn it off. Now go to the render scale and set the render scale to 100, and that's it. Now if you are on console, then launch FC26, go to the game settings option and then go to the display configuration tab and then select graphics mode to favor resolution. This might definitely fix your problem on console. So by following these steps, you will be able to fix input delay and lag problem in EA Sports FC26. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.